Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to summarize YouTube videos using Monica. So this is a really great feature that the Monica team has included because it allows you to speed up the rate at which you can digest information on the internet. So let's say I've got YouTube open here and I'm going to look for a video to watch, maybe here this one. So as you can see, this video is over an hour long, and let's say you're watching something for school or maybe for work and you'd like a quick summary to be able to reach or to speed up the process of learning. So you can see Monica here at the right hand side of our screen has already detected that we are watching a YouTube video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on generate summary. So for videos without subtitles, summary generation may take longer, and you can watch the progress in real time here at the bottom, which is the grayed out area. So this is really great if you're watching informational or instructional courses. For example, you're learning something for school, maybe for work. As I've mentioned before, it speeds up the process at which you can work through your things by a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a few more minutes here to finish generating, and hopefully the result will be to our satisfaction. There we go, it's finished generating, and here we have our summary. So in this interview, Atriox speaks with real estate analyst Melody Wright to discuss the growing instability in the US housing market, etc. And here are the salient bullet points for this video. So if you'd like, you can also continue this in chat, and here you will be able to follow up with different queries. For example, you can ask it about specific things like why. For example, why does the boomer demographic matter? Why does the boomer demographic matter in this context? And just ask it to clarify and provide information about things you might not quite understand. So this is a really powerful learning tool that many people will be able to take advantage of for free. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.